So a couple more things that we can do to customize profiles or just the website in general. So we can display giving history. So much like what we were doing with the emails is I've done a for loop here that shows a table of all the donations. There's suggested call to actions. So I have an advocate checklist that is showing different actions that an advocate could take. And then based on whether or not they either have a certain tag or a certain value and their profile is true, I'm just displaying a checked icon or an unchecked icon next to it. And all of those potential tasks are linked to pages that would let you do that thing. And then lastly, recruiter links. So on this public profile that we're looking at here, we saw that even if somebody who's not me is viewing my public profile, there's links for donate and join at the bottom. And those are actually, they have recruiter links appended to the end of them with the profile ID on here. So if I share out my profile and my friend clicks donate, it's using my recruiter ID so that when we see that donation pop into the database, it's showing that I recruited it. And I think if we click next, this is the, we'll send out the deck here, but this is basically the code that made up that entire section. So I'm actually looking at if the person is logged in this case, sort of logged in, and if the profile that they're logged in as is the same ID as the profile that they're viewing. Meaning, are you the person whose profile you're looking at? If so, we're displaying this advocate checklist. We're displaying the giving history only if they're a donor. We're looping through all the donations and making a table there. And then at the very bottom, the last two lines are just links to the donate and the join page, but with the recruiter ID appended there, showing the ID of the profile that you're looking at.